Hello student. Today I am here to discuss with you the basic concept of trigonometric ratios because it is required in the advanced math also. The idea is needed there for the advanced math complex number what we are discussing. Okay. Now see here. The word trigonometry means the measurement of triangle. It is about the different properties and measurement about the angles and sides of triangle. Detailed discussion about the sides and angles of triangle. So let us take a right angle triangle ABC. Since we have taken right angle triangle, so one angle must be 90 degree. And see a right triangle cannot have more than one right angle. No, a triangle cannot have more than one right angle. So if this is 90 degree, so other two angles must be less than 90 degree. So both angle A and angle C are equate angles. So let consider this angle as theta. You can consider this angle also, but what angle you have considered, the adjacent side is called the base. I had noted with B shortcut. This is the adjacent side of the angle considered, and the opposite side of the angle considered is called perpendicular, denoted by P. You know hypotenuse is a fixed definition. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. It is fixed, but these two can be interchanged. This is important to understand. If you have considered angle A, then this will become B and opposite side will become P. So, okay, now I am taking this angle as theta. You cannot take theta also. You can write angle C also, angle A also. But for it make you simple only. So with respect to this angle, the ratio of three sides of triangle can be written as P ratio H, the ratio of the opposite side of the angle considered to the hypotenuse, adjacent side, ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse, ratio of opposite side to the adjacent side, then reciprocal of this can be reciprocal of this. So the ratio of these three sides of right triangle ABC can be expressed in 6 different ways. Understood? So these 6 ratios are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ratios are called trigonometric ratios. And it has name in there. The ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse is called sine of, spelling S-I-N-E, sine of angle C. You can write angle C also. In shortcut it is written as C also. Angle symbol is not compulsory for sake of simplicity, but since we have assumed it at theta, so sine of angle theta you can write, and in shortcut it is written as sine theta. The ratio of the adjacent side to the opposite sides of the angle considered is named as cosine. Cosine of angle theta, in shortcut it is called cos theta. And ratio of opposite side to the adjacent sides of the angle considered is called tangent. Full form is tangent of angle theta. In shortcut it is called tan theta. Okay. Full name is tangent of angle theta. Similarly, it is called we will join cotangent. Cotangent of angle theta. In shortcut it is called cot theta. This is called secant of angle theta. Angle C also you can write as I told you, but it will make you simple, sec theta. Again we will add it, cosecant of angle theta, it is called cosec theta. Okay. So these 6 trigonometric ratios are sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. What is sine theta? P by H. What is P? Opposite side and hypotenuse is fixed. What is cos theta? B by H. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. And cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. When I am saying opposite side and adjacent side, it means that the angle you have considered what angle that in, because you, again I repeat, if you consider angle A, the P will become B and B will become P. Adjacent side is always the base. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and sec theta. Now see, observe it. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Can you see the relation between sine and cosec? What is sine? P by h. What is cosec? H by p. Is it reciprocal? No. So you can have the relation between the trigonometric ratios. From here onwards, I will explain you the relation between different trigonometric ratios. So what is, you can say sine theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. See from definition only. Sine is p by h, cosec h by p. So reciprocal means 1 by. If sine is reciprocal of cosec, then what will be? Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Okay? From the definition only. P by h, h by p, reciprocal, that's why. And this relation will help you in the simplification. Now if sine is 1 by cosec, so can we write sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, or cosec theta into sine theta equal to 1 is the same thing. Now go to the second number, b by h cos, and reciprocal is h by b sec. So very clear. What is clear? Cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, means cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. If cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, then sec theta will be reciprocal of cos theta. And from here you will get cos theta into sec theta 1. Cos theta into sec theta or sec theta into cos theta 1. This is always you will remember it. Now, third one is tan p by b, and what is reciprocal? B by p. So tan is reciprocal of cot. So we can write tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Okay. Then cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta. And if tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, then what is the meaning? Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So these are the relation between the trigonometric ratios. Now there are some identities needed here. So I can omit all this. Okay. Now we'll come to the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. The first number is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. You can always ask why, so I will explain you the proof also. Consider this right triangle. Better write down, we will prove it geometrically, so write down, let triangle ABC be a right triangle with angle B equal to 90 degree. Let us suppose angle C be theta. See, we can take A also theta. Okay. So therefore, with respect to angle C equal to theta, now we have definition sin theta is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So better you write the full name AB by AC. And cos theta, why am I writing sin and cos? Because sin and cos are only here in the identity. Cos theta, you know, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So I am writing full name BC by AC, not shortcut. Meaning is same only. Understood? Now, in right angle triangle we have Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? What you will get? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Very simple, you know Pythagoras theorem. Now see, in the denominator we have AC. So we divide both sides by AC square. So what you will get? AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. What you will get here? 1. Okay. So this is can be written AB by AC whole square, and this can be written BC by AC whole square, which is equal to 1. Understood? So what is AB by AC from the definition? Sin theta. AB by AC is sin theta, and square means what? Sin square theta plus BC by AC is cos theta, cos square theta equal to 1. See, we have got the proof geometrically. This is first very important trigonometric identity, and from here you can get the relation between the sine and cos. Okay, if you need to convert sine in terms of cos, you need to convert cos in terms of sine. It will help you. So you can make it sine square theta equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. This is used as formula. If you want only sine theta, when you remove the square, you need to give a square root. 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, if you want to convert cos theta in terms of sin theta, what you can write from here? Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. If you have only cos theta needed, then give the root sign here. This is the first trigonometry. The main is this only. From here you can get this. Okay. Then next number is also needed, important one. Number 2, identity number 2 is sec square theta minus tan square theta, very important, is equal to 1. The proof again I will give you. Proof or explanation, what you will take it as. Sometimes question is there. Prove geometrically sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So we will put geometry. So some geometry there. This triangle will help you. The diagram you need to draw. So write down a little bit. Let A, B, C be your right triangle with angle B equal to 90 degree. And we have already considered one of the equate angle C as theta. So let angle C equal to theta with respect to this angle as theta. We have what is sec theta equal to. That you should learn it. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So sec will be hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cos is B by H. Cos is B by H. So sec will be what? H by B. So hypotenuse by base. So I am getting full length, okay? Because we need sec here. Similarly, what is tan from the definition? Opposite side by adjacent side. So P by B. Now better to write AB by BC. Okay. Now again, by Pythagoras theorem, we are proving it geometrically. So we will use the term of geometry. By Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. From here it can be right here AC square minus AB square. What is left here? BC square. So AC square minus AB square equal to BC square. Now divide both sides by BC square. You understood why? AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square will be equal to 1. We have divided both sides by BC square because in the for the definition of sec and tan, the denominator is BC. So this can be written AC by BC whole square. This can be written AB by BC whole square is equal to 1. And what is AC by BC? Sec theta, and square is there. So what you can write here? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this we have got the proof. Okay. From this main identity, you can have number A, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. If you need to convert sec in terms of tan, this identity will help you. If you need only sec theta, you can write sec theta equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, then from this you can, if you want to convert tan in terms of sec, so tan this side and 1 this side, so what you can write? Tan square theta, here, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1, not 1 minus sec square theta, that will be completely wrong. If you want to convert tan in terms of sec, so this identity can be, this identity is main only. If you want only tan theta, then what you will get? Root here, sec square theta minus 1. So this is number 2 only. From this 2 identity, we have got all these sub corollaries you can show. Understood? This is identity number 2. Now one more is there. Number 3, identity number 3. Identity number 3 is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So again the explanation or proof, what you can say geometrically. So let A, B, C be a right triangle. Angle B equal to 90 degree. Let angle C equal to theta. So for angle C equal to theta, we have the definition of cosec theta. You know cosec is the reciprocal of sine, and sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. The cosec will be hypotenuse by opposite sides. So AC by AB. And we need cot also. Cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan is opposite by the adjacent. So cot will be adjacent by opposite. So BC by AB. Again by Pythagoras theorem. What you will get? AB square plus BC square. This is the main Pythagoras theorem. So from here, AC square minus BC square, what you will get? AC square minus BC square, AB square equal to, you will get AB square. Now divide both sides by AB, because see we have denominators AB. So we can write here AC square by AB square is minus BC square by AB square equal to, what you will get? 1. This side by AB square, this side by AB square by A square, obviously 1. Both can be written as AC by AB whole square. This can be BC by AB whole square is equal to 1. By definition, what is AC by AB? Cosec theta. So we can write here cosec square theta, and here cot theta. You can write here cot square theta equal to 1. This is the proof of this identity number 3. And then again some corollary you can get from here. Suppose number A, you want to find cosec in terms of cot. So it can be written cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. You want to remove the root sign, then cosec theta equal to under root 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Then number C you can get cot square also. Then 1 will this side. So what you will get? Cot square in terms of cosec square. It will be cosec square minus 1, not 1 minus cosec square. And similarly, remove the square sign, only cot theta. And obviously it will be the root cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the 3 identities. One more thing important, very important, I want to explain you. Now see here. What is sine theta equal to? Opposite side by hypotenuse, so AB by AC. What is cos theta equal to? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, so BC by AC. So what is sine theta by cos theta? You will get this by this. So AB by AC by BC by AC. Okay. So is equal to what you will get? AB by BC, because AC AC cancel. And what is AB by AC? Opposite side by adjacent side is tan theta. So this is another identity or formula relation. So therefore we can write tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. And you know tan is reciprocal of cot. So if you want to have cot theta reciprocal, cos theta by sin theta. So these are the everything about the trigonometric ratios and the relation between them and their identity you need. Okay, so this is the about the trigonometric ratios and identities. I think you understood. It will help you everywhere. It will help you in chapter 8, full chapter 8 in maths. One more important thing is needed in advanced math, the numerical values of certain standard angles. Okay, standard angles. The trigonometric ratio trigonometric ratios of angles have different values. You have trigonometric ratio table, but some standard angles you should know orally. So let me explain you the process. Shortcut method, how we will remember it about the numerical values of certain standard angles. See, the angles and the trigonometric ratio. This is trigonometric ratio and this is angles. The standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You need to know orally. Okay. And trigonometric ratio is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, sine, cos, give some space because we need here, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. See, this is very important. You need to remember it, but if sometimes you will forget. So if you know this process, you can calculate in seconds. Okay. You understood what I am telling? You need to know the value of sine 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, cot 0 degree, sec 0 degree and cosec 0 degree. Similarly, sine 30 degree, 45, 50 like that. That is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First what you will write? From 0 to 4. Divide by 4, 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 give a square root, give a square root, give a square root, give a square root. This much only you have to remember. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 and root sign. What is the value here? 0 only. What is the value here? 1 by 2. What is the, see 2 to the 4 cancel. So what 1 by root 2. What is the value here? Root 3 by 2 we will get. The square root of 3 you don't know, so root 3 and 4 is 2. This is obviously 1. You know what you have done? You have got the numerical value of sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degree half, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree 1. How will you get it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 and root sign and then values. So you have got the value. Write in reverse order. First will be last. Second will be second. Second last will be second. Root 3 by 2. Middle is the middle only. 1 by root 2. Second will be second last. 1 by 2. And first will be the last. What you have got, you know, you have got the numerical value of cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree and sin 45 degree, same value 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree 0. What you know about tan theta? In the last identity, what I given you? Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So tan 0 degree equal to sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree. 0 by 1, what you will get? 0. Tan 30 degree equal to sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree. So 1 by 2, see. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. What is the meaning? 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. How much will get? 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 3. Okay. Similarly, this by this 2 will get 1. So sin 45 degree 1. Sin 60 degree, this by this, how much will get? Root 3. And sin 90 degree, 1 by 0 is never defined. So undefined. Okay, infinity you can write. What is cot? Reciprocal of tan. 0 has no reciprocal, so not defined. Reciprocal of, this is very easy. Reciprocal. And 1 by 0 is undefined. 1 by reciprocal of infinity is 0. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3. This is root 2. This is 2. And this is 2. Reciprocal of 0, 2 not defined. Cosec 0 degree is reciprocal of sin 0 degree. So 0 has no reciprocal, so not defined. A reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. This is root 2. This is 2 by root 3. And this is 1. So these are the standard angle called 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and this is the numerical value. So this table looks big, but process is so easy only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide by 4, and they give the root sign. You have got the values of sine. Write in reverse order, you have got the value of cos, and sine by cos, you have got the value of tan. And if you know tan, value of numerical value of tan, you know numerical value of cot, reciprocal, and sec is reciprocal of cos, and cosec reciprocal of sine. So first line, if you know, which is very easy, then you know the whole table. So these are the basic concept of trigonometry needed everywhere, in advanced math also, and math needed only. So almost basic concept of the general math, full trigonometry chapter, I had explained you a little bit. So keep on revising. Any doubt you can consult me. So that's all.